Alright, so we'll see how it dry and what I can do after that. If I can sand it a little bit, I think I can do that. As far as I understand, it would be sort of hard. Something I would suggest, if you do that, if you have to do it for example a barrack saddle or something like that, be sure if you have few jobs to do, or if you put aside few jobs to do in one go, do it that way, because one little pack like that got a very tiny amount. I showed you this earlier. However, you can do quite few jobs with that. I have done 3 different saddles with different holes. I didn't expecting that. I believe it would be necessary to use one of this pack for one saddle, which is not the case. So get ready, have your job ready to be done, and then start and do everything in one go, because this dry quite quickly, I assume, and in your hand it gives a feeling, the texture change. By the way, if you can wear some gloves like hygienic chirurgical gloves or something like that, do that, because yeah, it's quite difficult to remove this from your fingers, and as we know, many chemicals used to do this sort of products these days, they are not necessarily good for your skin, for your body. So before find out, then it's not good at all. It's better to wear some gloves, not like what I did. I didn't wear gloves, and yeah, it's quite hard to remove this after all. But yeah, it looked like what I'm expecting. It's a bit, we do a little crust on it, and I assume it will dry and I would be able to sand it a little bit. Yeah, pretty happy with that. Alright, so little detail we not always mention when we put some new pedal on a bike. So this is a vintage bike, and I will replace the pedal with this set of pedal, which are some spare pedal from another renovation I've done, on which I put some SPD Shimano pedal. So that's the pedal from the other bike. So the bearing is clean. I just clean up everything. I just need a little cap here. Just a reminder for everyone, the pedal have a side, and it's right there. This is the R, like right one, and the other one it's a L, obviously, like the left one. I mean, it's not very obvious for everyone, but I've seen some people would damage the pedal pair trying to put the wrong side one. So yeah, just be careful with this. So I clean up properly the thread inside here, and hairspray as well, and now we'll put a little bit of grease right here, and I will fill it on the bike.